how to log into Wayfair account. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can log into Wayfair account, and here is how to go about it. So the first step is to open a new tab, and then in the search box type www dot, or you could just type wayfair.com if you do not want to add www. Then click on enter, and then you'll be taken to Wayfair's homepage automatically. So once you're on this page, you can see different options, right? You can see Wayfair logo by the top left corner. You can see your search box, and then by the time you scroll down, you can see different things that you can also get on your Wayfair account. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see the option sign in. So just click on that and select sign in. Do not click on create an account since you have an account already. And then after clicking on sign in, you would see the option enter your email address to sign in or to create an account. So just go ahead and enter in your email address. Then you click on continue. And then a code will be sent to your email in order for you to verify your email. But if you do not want to go through this process, just move to the top right corner where you can see a box that has been displayed. If you have your Google account linked already to your web browser, you will see your Google account pop up. Once you see that, just click on continue as your name, and then automatically you will be signed in into your account. So I would advise that you sync your Google accounts to your web browser in order to make your signing in easy. But if you do not want to do that, just go to the top right corner, click on a new tab, then click on your Gmail or type out your Gmail, then select your Gmail in order to be taken to your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, you will see a message from Wayfair, and then you will see your verification code. So you just have to copy it, click on it. So after clicking on it and the message has opened, you can see below is your secure verification code. So just copy it, paste it in the selected box, and you'll be able to log in. So this is how you can log in into your Wayfair account. And so once you're logged in, you can now go ahead and make your purchases at affordable prices. Thank you and have a good day.